I'm Dr. Laura Lunsford, and I'm here today to talk with you about positive psychology in context. There are two main points that we want to think about with culture and positive psychology in this unit. The first is culture that we might think of as countries or even regions in the United States. What is the happiest country in the world? In what state are people the happiest in the United States? So the first part of the unit helps you explore how culture, our environment, impacts both how we might define happiness and how we might study it. The other idea about context is that things change in our environment over our lifetime. What does it mean to be resilient and thriving as a small child versus as an adult or even as you approach the end of your life? To that extent, you're going to talk to some older people and ask them what they think about happiness. This is one of your mini experiments in this unit. In addition, you'll take another inventory, the Oxford Happiness Inventory. And I want you to think about this inventory. Are there questions that might mean something different in different cultures? This context is so important to how we think about thriving. How we think about it as Americans might be different as how people think about it in Finland, Australia, China. So part of what I want you to really pay attention to is how does the context influence positive psychology and what we think of as happiness and well-being. We're going to have a lot of fun interviewing folks in this unit and learning a little bit more about your own happiness as you take the inventory. Until next time, I hope you enjoy learning about positive psychology in context.